In the fast-evolving world of aerial cinematography, a revolution is brewing that promises to reshape everything you thought possible about pocket-sized flight. We are standing on the precipice of a new era, witnessing the whispers and early supply chain rumblings of the highly anticipated DJI Neo 3. This device is not just an iteration. It is a total reimagining of what an entry-level, ultra-lightweight drone can achieve, designed to bridge the gap between amateur convenience and professional-grade performance. As we dive deep into these leaks, it becomes clear that DJI is listening intently to the feedback of global creators, particularly those in the United States who demand more power in a smaller package. Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The anticipation surrounding the DJI Neo 3 is reaching a fever pitch, and for good reason, because if even half of these leaked specifications hold true, we're looking at a drone that could render larger, bulkier equipment completely obsolete for the average vlogger or travel photographer. Imagine holding a drone in the palm of your hand that feels as light as a smartphone, but performs with the stability and image fidelity of a professional cinema rig. The most exciting talk circulating the tech corridors involves the rumored implementation of a 10-bit D-Log M color profile. For those familiar with professional editing, this is the holy grail. It means that the footage coming off the DJI Neo 3 will have the dynamic range necessary for high-end color grading, allowing you to pull incredible detail out of the shadows and highlights that would have been crushed on previous generations. You will no longer be limited by baked-in color science. Instead, you'll have the raw creative freedom to match your aerial footage with your primary camera's aesthetic, making the DJI Neo 3 an essential tool for any unified creative workflow. But the brilliance of the DJI Neo 3 doesn't stop at the sensor. The transmission system is undergoing a massive overhaul, with strong indications that DJI is incorporating their O4 Plus transmission technology into this compact frame. If this proves accurate, we're talking about a leap in signal stability that will allow users to fly in high-interference environments, like crowded city centers or dense wooded areas, with unprecedented confidence. For the U.S. audience, where signal congestion in suburban and urban areas can often lead to latency or connection dropouts, O4 Plus would provide a rock-solid, low-latency link that keeps you locked onto your shot no matter how far you push the boundaries. This is the difference between a nerve-wracking flight and one where you can focus entirely on your composition and movement. One of the most persistent rumors keeping the community awake at night is the potential for a massive boost in battery life. We are hearing whispers of a 45-minute flight time, an engineering marvel if achieved in such a small form factor. Traditionally, the trade-off for portability has been flight time, but the DJI Neo 3 appears determined to shatter that compromise. Think about what nearly 3/4 of an hour of flight time means for your workflow. It means fewer landings, fewer battery swaps, and significantly less downtime. It allows you to wait for that perfect golden hour light without constantly checking your remaining percentage. It turns the drone from a quick-shot device into a reliable, long-form creative companion that stays in the air as long as your creative vision requires. Design and portability remain the core pillars of the Neo series, and the leaked chassis designs for the DJI Neo 3 suggest that while the internals are getting a massive power injection, the footprint will remain as convenient as ever. The engineers seem to have focused on structural integrity and advanced propeller protection, ensuring that the drone remains beginner-friendly while still being robust enough to handle the rigors of travel. The sleek, lightweight design ensures it stays under those critical weight thresholds, making it the perfect carry-on for any trip. Whether you're scaling a mountain in Colorado or navigating the bustling streets of New York, the DJI Neo 3 is being built to be the most accessible, high-performance travel partner in your camera bag. Furthermore, we cannot overlook the AI-driven smart features that are expected to define the DJI Neo 3 experience. We expect the next iteration of Active Track to be smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. With advanced obstacle sensing and pathfinding algorithms, The drone will likely be able to navigate complex scenes without the pilot needing to touch a single stick. This set-it-and-forget-it style of filming is exactly what modern content creators need. It allows you to be the star of your own video, while the DJI Neo 3 acts as your personal, professional cinematographer, hovering exactly where it needs to be to capture the most engaging angles. As we look ahead, the rumored 2026 release cycle for the DJI Neo 3 positions it perfectly to dominate the holiday shopping season. With the market for compact, high-quality drones expanding rapidly, DJI is clearly aiming to cement their leadership position by offering features that were once considered premium only. Whether you're a professional filmmaker looking for a backup, or a hobbyist wanting to elevate your vacation content, this drone is being engineered to provide a professional-level experience that feels entirely effortless. We are closely monitoring the supply chain leaks, the prototype testing reports, and the whispers from industry insiders to bring you the final, confirmed details the moment they emerge. The DJI Neo 3 is poised to be more than just a tech gadget. It is shaping up to be the centerpiece of the modern creator's toolkit, and we will be here to walk you through every step of its evolution. Stay tuned, because the future of flight is getting smaller, faster, and infinitely more capable.